Alright YouTube, I'm going to cold start the Toro 2000 or X-Mark, Lazer-Z, whatever combination that matches whatever you favor. Yeah, I got to do the last mow of the season here, or at least my area. It's not too bad, but got to get rid of some of these leaves. So I know this thing hasn't been started in about 2 weeks, and it's got the Kawasaki FX 691V into it. So let's start it. 85.8 hours. This is its first season, by the way, so we'll choke all the way up. Just like that. I'm gonna pull out of the garage here, let it warm up. A little bit of morning smoke there. Alright, thanks for watching, you guys.